has unveiled a range of military hardware in a show of might to Western powers. The four-legged drones can be seen participating in the military parade in Beijing, and according to Chinese state media, they are designed for frontline reconnaissance, delivering supplies and precision strikes. Other weapons unveiled during the event included brand-new nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missiles, advanced underwater drones, and a new model of hypersonic missile. What is China deploying? Quadrupedal robots, approximately 70 kilograms, developed by China South Industries Group Corporation, capable of different roles: reconnaissance, strike, transport, support. They can operate in groups, packs, coordinate with drones, human soldiers. First used in PLA exercises in hilly/grassland terrain. Robotic dog/armed UGVs, unmanned ground vehicles. Machine gun-equipped robot dogs have been demonstrated in joint exercises, e.g. with Cambodia. Some lighter robot dogs for reconnaissance, heavier versions with firearms for more direct combat/assault roles. Unmanned aerial systems, UAVs/UCAVs/drone-type systems. KVD-002, a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned recon/strike aircraft, equipped with AR-1, air-to-surface missiles, and reconnaissance sensors. Can perform precision strikes, escort, guidance roles. CHY-1000/CHYH-1000. Cargo UAV, unmanned transport aircraft, with approximately 1,000 kilograms payload, approximately 10+ hours flight, for logistics support. CH-5, Rainbow 5, a large UAV with long endurance, reconnaissance, and strike functions, similar in some respects to the US MQ-9 Reaper, though with trade-offs. WZ-7 Soaring Dragon. AHALE High Altitude, long-endurance UAV used for reconnaissance and possibly as a guidance platform for missile systems. Humanoid/multi-purpose robots. Tiangong Humanoid Robot, developed under the Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, led by UBTECH. It has 3D vision, inertial sensors, high computational capacity. The PLA is interested in humanoid robots for tasks that human shape helps, especially in complex environments. Simulation, AI, coordination tech. China is emphasizing human-robot/drone collaboration, combining human troops, robot wolves, aerial drones in coordinated drills, using anti-drone/drone defense systems, electronic warfare, etc., as part of the robotics/AI arms race. What these capabilities imply: robotic systems can take on dangerous missions, frontline recon, logistics in contested zones, suicide drones, etc., reducing risk to human troops. Multiple robot units, ground and aerial, working together increase complexity for adversaries. Radar/visual detection, target prioritization, suppression of defenses become more challenging. Robots like wolf robots and drones operate in difficult terrain, mountains, rough ground, where human soldiers might be slower or more at risk. Quadrupedal robots can traverse obstacles. The presence of robots with offensive capability, dog/wolf robots with rifles, etc., may have psychological impact on both troops and publics. Also serves an image/signaling role in military parades. China is clearly investing in semi-autonomous/autonomous systems, but human control is still present in many deployments. Full autonomy raises technical, legal, ethical, and command and control challenges. The U.S. military maintains an overall lead in power, but China's military power is rapidly growing, with advancements in shipbuilding, missile technology, and areas like hypersonic detection, though it lags in joint operations and combat experience compared to the U.S.'s tested and integrated forces. While the U.S. leads in key areas like advanced fighter jets, nuclear capabilities, and global bases, China boasts the world's largest navy by ship count and has a significant advantage in land-based missiles.